Hello everyone, welcome to your first lecture in endocrinology. Today we will explore the endocrine system and understand how the pituitary gland, also known as master gland, control other glands in the body. Please pay close attention throughout and let's get started. First, let's understand what glands are. Glands are the organs that secrete substances. There are of two main types: exocrine glands, which secrete non-hormonal substances like sweat and digestive enzymes through ducts. They do not enter the bloodstream. Endocrine glands, which secrete hormones directly into the blood. Endo means inside, so these secretions stay inside the body circulation. There are also called mixed glands like pancreas, which have both endocrine and exocrine functions. We will revisit
To make
this
easier to grasp, imagine the endocrine system as a magical kingdom. Glands are like powerful regions, and hormones are messengers, and the bloodstream is the river that carries messages from one region to another. This kingdom runs smoothly only if all the glands perform their roles correctly. Now, let's begin our journey with the ruler of this kingdom, the pituitary gland.
The pituitary gland, also called hypophysis in medical terms. It is a pea-sized gland located at the base of the brain, just beneath the hypothalamus. It is also called the master gland because it controls many other endocrine glands. The pituitary gland has two parts: anterior pituitary, also called adenohypophysis, and posterior pituitary, also called neurohypophysis. Now let's discuss the hormones secreted by each part. Anterior pituitary secretes several important hormones. First one is growth hormone, known as GH, stimulates growth of bones and muscles and regulates metabolism. Second one is thyroid stimulating hormone, which is also called TSH, triggers the thyroid to release T3 and T4 hormones. Third one is adrenocorticotropic hormone, also called ACTH, which stimulates the adrenal cortex to release cortisol, especially in response to stress. Follicle stimulating hormone, FSH, which is mainly released by the gonads by the gonadotropin releasing hormone, also known as GnRH. In females, it stimulates egg follicle development, and in males, it stimulates sperm production. Fifth one is luteinizing hormone, also known as LH. In females, it triggers ovulation. In males, stimulates testosterone production. Last one is prolactin, promotes milk production in mammary glands. Its secretion is influenced by estrogen and progesterone. Now moving on to the hormones of another division, that is the hormones of the posterior pituitary. The posterior pituitary stores and releases two major hormones. First is antidiuretic hormone, that is ADH or vasopressin, which maintains water balance in the body by increasing reabsorption in the kidneys and helps to control blood pressure. Second hormone is oxytocin, that stimulates uterine contractions during childbirth and milk ejection during breastfeeding. Now, to make it easier to learn the hormones of the pituitary gland, one must first learn the hormones of the posterior pituitary, and then we will focus on the hormones of the anterior pituitary, and that can be learned easily.
We have already learned about endocrinology. Now it's time to focus on role of nurses in endocrinology. Nurses are responsible for monitoring hormone levels and patient response, administering medications, especially hormone therapies, educating patient on self-care,
Example, insulin use, supporting lifestyle changes, providing emotional support, and promoting preventive care through screenings. Their timely interventions help patients manage chronic conditions and improve the quality of life. To summarize, the endocrine system is a well organized network of glands that communicate via hormones. Understanding the system help us manage conditions like diabetes, thyroid disorders, and adrenal disorders. In the next chapter, we will dive deeper into the diabetes mellitus and covering all the disorders. Thank you for your attention, and I look forward to see you in the next session. Till then, keep learning.